Guys, welcome back to Gator Jack RC. Got a special guest with me. There's my wife over there with her TT. Oh yeah. We are back at the Oasis with the Grim Reaper and the TT. Guys, I've never been out here this early in the morning. Yep. Check it out, guys. I love this place. Isn't it beautiful? Absolutely. See y'all out there. Gator Jack fucked up this morning. I was really looking forward to come out here with my wife, but my dumb ass forgot to put the paddle tires on for her. She can run out here, but it's just gonna freaking get really hot real fast. I'm sorry, honey.
Okay, babe.
I feel terrible. I really do. Graham, I know. So yeah. Let's go find a bad spot. I've never been on this mountain, so I'm gonna check it out. Get a little air, not much. Come back around.
I.
Hey, there we go. There we go. Come on, Grim. Come on with it, baby. Dig.
Music licensing reimagined.
I was expecting to, launch, but it was a line drive. I must have missed that lip or something. Should have done a backflip. Let's see if I can hit this bitch right. Ooh. Man, I can't hit that lip to get that launch again. Get you some, baby. Come on. There's more right on the left right here. No?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I figured y'all would see some bashes and crashes. I ain't used to this mound. Man, where did I hit that at? Somewhere right here. All right, damn thing one more good time. There it is. All right, yeah, you gotta hit it in the sweet spot right there.
I.O.
Come on, Grim. Oh, damn, I missed it. Hey, but those line drives are cool though, right? Acting like an outcast.
Music licensing reimagined.
Acting like an outcast. Let's go, baby. Baby. Yes, sir. We ripping it up this morning. Come on, Graham. Did I really just hit heat temp already? Are you kidding me? Let's go check that out. Guys, she's pretty toasty. I need to get me a temp gun. But ESC's pretty hot too. Not sure what that's about. It used to not do this. It used to stay pretty damn cool on a 23 tooth pinion. Maybe it's just time. This system is pretty old though, man. This OG BLX 185, it's about 3.5 years old, if not more. And this motor right here is 1480 kV Hobby Star 4092. It's about the same age as well. I do maintenance these motors, brushless motors, pop the cap off, put some contact cleaner in there, and yeah, I try to make them last as long as possible. Yep, just gonna shut her off and let her cool down for a little bit. And then we'll get a few more rips in. Cool down, let's try this little lip right here. Ooh, right on the nose. You know, I like this guitar, I really do. And I'm starting to notice my finger starting to slip on the brake. Wish the trigger was a little bit bigger. I know, excuses. You alright? Yeah, you alright.
Music licensing reimagined.
But it's nice. Let's try it. I'm just looking for new spots, you know? Oh. Yes, sir. Landed. It's bounced. What's up, Grim? Oh. Shit. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Ah, let's get back here. Yes, sir. Well, hobby starts humming though, right?
Music
Sir.
licensing
All right, Graham.
reimagined.
Ah, too much rotation. All right, guys. Just wanted to come out here and do a short bash. Cutting it short because my wife, she ain't having no fun because my dumb ass forgot the paddle tires. But we will be back. Oh, Grim. Say yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, guys, y'all holler back at me. Peace. Guys, I'm actually going to do a speed run with the Power Hobby GNSS, right? I know I got 55 last time, still on a 23 tooth pinion, so I'm gonna see what's up, just for shits and giggles. See y'all out there. Guys, got Grim down there. Let's see if we can get more than 55. Let's get it. Full peg. Shoom.
Artlist.io.
Woo. Bring him on back. How about you, Graham? See what we got. Brighten this up all the way.
Music licensing reimagined.
Stop. Read. Holy shit! He got 59. That's better than 55. Let's screenshot that. Almost 60 off-road. Not bad. And I got 24 tooth pinion. Let's get one more and see what happens. Take 2 with Grim Reaper speed run on the beach at the Oasis, baby. Let's get it. Full pin. Full pin. Huh. Land on your feet. Atta baby.
Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, Jack. Grim. All right. Stop. Read. Come on, 60. 60, baby! We got 60! Yes, sir. I'm gonna leave it right there, boy, because I'm like not even a full battery. Come out here and try it again one day. Screenshot that. All right. Grim Reaper. Got 60 at the Oasis, baby. Oh yeah, there it is again. 60.
Music licensing reimagined.
Guys, I had a good morning, man. Yep, I had a good morning. Got my baby over there. She's waiting on me. See her waving? Here's another look at the Oasis. I freaking love this place, man. I'm gonna bring, I got some wood. I'm building a ramp here soon. And I'm gonna bring the ramp out here. Put it up on a slope. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. With that being said, Gator Jack's gonna head out and go get some brunch on the beach. Peace.